everyone, how are you today? I hope you're fine. I hope you're staying safe. Today we're looking at the subject science and our topic is diet. Our topic is what? Diet. Now, at the end of a lesson, our learner's objective pupils should be able to define diet, explain balanced diet, state and identify the classes of foods, mention the sources of classes of food, either the sources of the classes of food. That's what we want to achieve at the end of today. Now, what do we mean by diet? Diet is the food and beverage a person or animal consume. The food we eat is our diet. Beverage we eat is our diet. The same thing the one that animals consume too is their diet. There's something we call balanced diet. Balanced diet is a meal that contains the correct amount of all the classes of food in the right proportion in order to make body healthy. I take it again that balanced diet is a meal that contains the correct amount of all the classes of food in the right proportion in order to make body healthy. So a balanced diet has a complete class of food. It's in the right proportion and it makes our body to be what? Healthy. Let's see what we have here. Wow. So tasty. I love to take some of them. Okay, we have fish, we have tomatoes, we have maize, that's corn, we have cucumber, we have carrots, eggs, we have palm oil, we also have our rice with sauce. Wow, and we have pounded yam with vegetable. And many orishi. You know what is orishi? And many assorted meat in it. And lastly, we have what's there? Granite oil. All these contain our what? Classes of food. It's as if we shouldn't leave this page, but we have to move to the next slide. Classes of food and their sources. We have protein. Excuse me. Proteins are bodybuilding food. The sources of proteins are meat, chicken, eggs, fish, beans, milk, and other dairy products. You can see that protein contains beef, chicken, egg, fish, beans, and so on, and they're called bodybuilding food. They build our body, like those that like running away from beans. You need beans so that your body can be built up. Carbohydrates gives energy to the body. The sources of food that we get from carbohydrates are rice, bread, potato, plantain, and so on. We can see that carbohydrate gives us what? Energy. Another energy giving food is fats and oil. What are the sources of this fat and oil? We have margarines, granite oil, butter, palm oil, and so on. Those are the sources or where we get our fat and oil from. Now we move on. Mineral salt. Mineral salts are food that helps the muscles and nerves in the body to function well. What are their sources? We have fish, milk, meat, cheese, liver, and so on. So we can see that mineral salts are gotten from fish, milk, meat, cheese, liver. We get mineral salts from them and they help our muscles and nerves in the body to function well. If you're wondering that what is nerves, that thing that calms you out, calms you down, and doesn't make you to be hyper is what we mean by nerves. So we need that for us to calm down our nerves. Vitamins. These are body protective food. They protect our body against diseases. Even in this period where we have COVID-19 pandemic, we need this body protective food to protect our body against the pandemic. We have sources of them like the fruits we have: mango, pineapple, watermelon, orange, egg, green leaf, vegetables, and so on. And lastly, a source of food, a classes of food, water. Water is a liquid substance that helps in the removal of waste products from the body. What are the sources of water? Not only water that we drink. From watermelon, we can get water. For some vegetables, too, we can get water also. So we can see the 6 classes of food that we have. We have what? Protein, carbohydrate, fat and oil, mineral salt, vitamins, and water. Those are the classes of food that we have. So we've been able to look at the topic diet today because we're rounding up now. We've looked at the topic diet, we've looked at balanced diet and the classes of food. We also looked at some of the sources where we get these classes of food. Okay, till I come your way next time. Who's watching us via the YouTube, you can always subscribe to our e-learning class via the WhatsApp line that is being displayed on the screen. Pupils will be going back to class for more exercise. Thank you. Bye-bye.